Dun dun! Look what we've got here, guys. Just picked up the brand new TRX4 Bronco. Let's see what the specs tell us. Alright, locking front and rear differentials, 2-speed transmission, metal gear, digital servo. This is what I'm really excited about, the portal axles. Gives you some extra clearance. All controlled from a nice receiver. Inner fender wells are built to the frame, unlike the previous TRX4 models. And that body. I've been thinking about getting a TRX for some time now, and once I saw this Bronco model being dropped, I knew I had to wait. Let me grab it for you, we'll see what it looks like. Boom! There it is, guys. Beautiful. That body is detailed. The scale realism of this is unmatched in my opinion. I saw this on SEMA fully with a light kit, the rear tire mount, a bully bar. So my guess is all of that is coming soon, and as soon as that drops I will be picking up all the light kits and accessories from Traxxas. I'm not going to go with aftermarket parts, I'm going strictly Traxxas dealer parts. And as you can see, I cheated. I've been driving it for the last couple days now. Didn't do the unboxing video just because I was too excited. I had to get it out. As this is my first crawler, I couldn't hold myself back. Just a little kid, you know. Let's pull off the body and see what she looks like. Sorry about that. Alright, look at that. Yeah, I've already got some scratches on it, already got some scuffs, but it's a crawler. It's not going to be a shelf queen. I actually moved the front and rear bumpers out a little bit, give me a little bit more clearance on the body. It looked a little bit tighter the way it was before, but I like having a little bit more space in between my body and the bumpers, just so I can try to preserve the integrity of the body as long as possible. But we all know that ain't gonna last. This thing is beautiful. Let's flip her over. Look at that. 4-link rear suspension. It's got a 3-link up front. Really stiff suspension. It's fully adjustable right out of the box. Aluminum housings. Nut here to raise and lower the shocks, give you a little bit more rigidity if you need it, or soften it up. Here is the cable that changes the differential from locked to open. It's got one on the back also. Well, there it is, guys. The Bronco TRX4. I picked up the sunset color. I like the black and red, but the sunset just, I don't know, it really drew me in. So I'll get some scale videos of it crawling here in the next few days. Let me fix that. It's gonna drive you all crazy. Yeah, that's a beauty. See, I moved the bumper out a little bit. The front, I kind of want to put back, get it more flush with the body. But the rear, I'm fine with that being a little bit farther away from the body. Comes with the tow receiver. But that's it for tow hooks and stuff. I'm kind of disappointed about that. I wish I had some sort of a winch mount up here on the front bumper or some tow hooks or something, but you know, those will come later. I'm hoping Traxxas drops something. Alright guys, there she is, my brand new crawler. It's family friendly fun. We'll see you guys later.